What's your opinion on the goats?
It's actually hilarious. Pete actually said they have quite a character actually, so we have to be careful about that.
They are currently hiding, aren't they there?
Yeah. Although this animal likes me, so I guess that's okay.
Am I getting the goats out?
great time. Obviously, as winter comes, it's going to be a bit harder to get outdoors, but guys, whilst it's autumn, whilst it's still warm, just get out there, have some fun, go on some crazy adventures, enjoy yourself, breathe some fresh air, like just do it. Like I sounded like Shirley Booth just then, but like honestly, just get that time for yourself, get some vitamin D in you. We have progressed as human beings, but we've not progressed to the point where we don't still need essential things like food, water, air, oxygen, and a great time. Not gonna lie, for some of us our survival instincts just kick in more than others, so climbing fences is not my forte, as you can see in that video. But I had a great time just bonding with my friends and just walking and talking and not looking at our phones for a good hour or so. It was great. Just do it. What are you doing? Go out for a walk now. Go and have some fun. Just go. Oh, I'm contractually obligated to do this. If not, I could have a lawsuit on my hands. Thank you to Doris the goat for working with me. Honestly, you taught me things that I thought I'd never learn. You had such a great patience for me. I mean, we had 10 or 15 minutes together, but I was told you were a star and I needed to respect that, so thank you for the 15 minutes we did have. I also like to thank the cat Eternity with the odd name. Thank you so much for being a lovely cat and cuddling me. I felt like a lot of things that I had kept hidden or beneath the surface were just, you know, solved because of that loving cat. And thank you to Pete Heslop himself for being the Yorkshire Steve Irwin, as I now will refer to him. Thank you, mate, for such a great time. Thank you for all my friends who just were like, yeah, we'll go and spend some time with goats with you and roam the English countryside. I appreciate it. I'm grateful for friends like you. So yeah, guys, this has been my video on how to embrace the outdoors. I'm not going to make that title. I'll think of something cooler. But just don't forget to subscribe. Also press that notification button because I will be posting loads more videos. I will be getting deeper with you guys as the weeks go on. Now that I have passed my maybe 5 video content thingamajig, we'll get deeper, you know? So also guys, please feel free to let me know what you want to see, what you want to talk about. There is a broad spectrum of things that we can go on about, so don't feel shy. I have some crazy ideas, but I kind of want to know what you guys are thinking. It's kind of like when you have like a weird awkward thought, but you want to know what your friend's thinking so you don't feel too bad about saying, yeah, basically it's like that. Let me know. Honestly, I want to interact with you guys. I'd love to have a chat. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.